Hi, good morning traders. I hope you're doing great. As you can see, this is the daily time frame of Bitcoin, and let's dig into the chart without any bias. This is only price action, only candlestick patterns, no indicator, no count, nothing at all, right? So let's go in the larger time frame to analyze what is happening. First of all, let's see how much we already have crashed from the last all-time high. We have crashed around 77.57% already. That's a good thing to know because in the previous bounce we had around like 84, then we had around like 72. Here we dropped around 55 or 56, you can say, and here we dropped around 86 or 87 percentage. Let's check this one as well. It was around 82, so we may drop till about 82, 85. That would be a normal scenario. Let's see where we will finish the around 80 to 85 percentage. This will be the 85, like 10,000. We can still fall to 10,000. Okay, now let's put some counts here. As you can see, we have a trend line here which is having a resistance here, being supported here, being supported here. This is a much stronger trend line, and we have resistance here, broke above, and now being supported here. This is the exact clone of the same, which has been tested here as a resistance, here as a support, resistance, support broken above, and then it is possible to become a support as well, because it has been a pretty solid since the beginning of times. All right, that's another reason, another good thing to know, because this is how we will be counting our charts. So this is my 1 here, this is my 2, this is my 3 here, this is my 4, and we may see the 5th. Okay, and let's put the extensions. As you can see, we like broken above the 3.618 level as wave 3, and currently are at around below. We went below 1%, 1:1 ratio of this leg from the beginning of time till about here. Projected from here, this was the exact one of the same length projected from the low. We tested the same area. This is where the wave 4 might end. That's also a good reason to know, as we had a 77% crash already. And this is my 1 here, 2 here for the third. This is my 3, this is 4, and this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my third, this is my 1, 2, 3. We are in the fourth. It may stay here for a longer while as a triangle and then go up. So this would be the perfect place to open a long trade, because wave 4 is most of the times as a triangle, but the first leg is the huge as wave A, B, C, D, E, and then we may break above the all-time high. So it would take like maybe more than 1 year, 2 year in the same area. Very choppy, but this would be the best place, because this would be the largest decline as wave A. Then we may have a bounce, B, C, D, E, and then break above for wave 5. But because of this scenario, we may still have a bounce from here as wave 4, because this may still be the termination area of wave 4. Let's project the target for wave 5. As you can see, we have already tested the 4.618 level as wave 3, not 3.618, 4.618. So I will put my very next target for just 5.618 till about 81800. Alright, that would be the target for wave 5, and then we may see another fall from there. So let's go in the smaller time frames like the daily. We marked our 3 here, alright, and this was our top. Let me change the style here, yeah, so we can put our trend lines. Alright, 23. This was the trend line coming from all-time high. We had this 3 wave, went to retest as wave B, and then declined as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this is a 3 wave pattern, this is a 3 wave pattern, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we broke above as a false breakout, as you can see here, stayed here for a while and then broke below the previous low, but failed to get inside the channel. Let's suppose our W was here, because this is a 3 wave pattern, this is a 3 wave pattern, this is 1, 2, 3, or let's suppose our here, because this is 1, 2, 3 X, this is 1, 2, 3, right? This is another X, and this is 1 ABC, this is 2, and this is 3. So which suggests let me draw the pattern, then I will label it so that you can see. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because I post daily videos about Bitcoin, gold, DXY. So if you have any other pair, I would love to see it for you as well. If you have any pair for me, let me just know in the comment section, and also like the video, because it will help the YouTube algorithm to get more views. Other may also take benefit from this as well. Let's change the color for this, because this is the corrective pattern. Then we add this 1, 2, 3 as another W. Then we had this triangle as wave X. Okay, and now let's label the other Y, which will be also in a 3 wave pattern. Similarly, right? Let's count from the beginning. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my W. This is A, B, C, D, E. This is C. This is my X. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, A, B, C. This is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another W. Sorry, W, X, Y. This is my triangle as wave B or X. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as another W or A. This is my ABC as wave B or X. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as another wave C or Y. Then we are seeing a bounce. We are above the horizontal support. As you can see here, we have broken above the horizontal support, retested the same area, and seeing a bounce. Let's draw the trend line here as well. Let's go in the smaller time frames, 2 hours. Alright, so let's label now what we are seeing here. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 1. Then we had this direction as A, B, C. Then we made a triangle as A, B, C, D, E, then we fell as 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, so we have 3 wave pattern finish as well, and we may see another low till about the same area, because this is wave 1 only and this is 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we may see another fall till about this zone, or we may see just a bounce from here and go above as wave 3, because this is a ABC pattern. This is A B C D E and this is A. So we may see B and C here, or we may just finish all the corrective pattern here and go up like here from here and see another high. Or let's talk about the alternate as well, because it can be A B C D E, or A B C D E, A B C D E, yeah, A B C D E. This can be the alternate as well as A B C D E, and we may see another low as we said. The invalidation level for this wave, for this crash to be wave 4, is this area. It can still fall to 13880, because wave 4 usually ends above the wave 1. It must not get in the area of wave 1 if it is happens to be a wave 4. Alright, that's our invalidation level. So we may see, fall from this level like around 18%. We may see still fall about like 14,000. That would be 18% from right where we are. It would be like around 3,000 more if we see decline from here. Okay, let me show you the triangle as the alternate for sell. Here, this can be a triangle as A B C D E, and we may see fall from here till about 14,000, or just go below this candle to SL hunting and then have another bounce. Or we may see crash till about this area and then go up from there as well. Or it can be like wave 1 2 3 4 5. This can be this as well. I am biased for the bullish, so I am not a seller here. I am looking for buy setups only, because of the possibility that this can be the whole correction, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to catch the wave 3. Even if I fail, it won't matter, because as a trader you must learn to fail and still trade for the next time when you see another setup, because you must know how to manage your risk. Rather than being right or wrong, you must strictly know that what you are risking and what will happen if you will lose the money you are risking. This can be the false breakout to the downside, because this is 3-wave pattern, this is 3-wave pattern, and this is 3-wave pattern. This is 1 2. This can be the false breakout, and we may see third from here. Alright, this is my base channel. Let's put the targets for wave 3. Wave 3 target is 18845. at around 1.618, or if it extends it can go to 2.618 as well. And then we may see wave 4, which will at around 32 or 23, sorry 38 or 23, and then we may see the bounce from there as wave 5, which is usually the same as wave 1 in the length, which will end at around 19334, and then we may see another fall as wave 2 for the larger round, and then continue moving to the upside. We may see something, because we have 1 2 1 2. No, yeah, this can be also the possibility. We may have 1 2 1 2 1 2, so this would be extremely bullish in that scenario. So I would be updating, but this can be the wave 1, and then we may see the wave 2 till about the same area as wave 2 till around 16987, as wave 2 till about 0.61 extension from 19335. Alright traders, that's all. Thank you, take care, and best of luck. Bye.